Meeting is not what?
We not that. Then I see and it has started.
Yes, it has started right now.
I do not know even that meeting has started. Ma'am, after hearing Anshu's audio, ma'am, then I have come.
All right, have you started writing it?
No, ma'am, seeing that there is no message in the WhatsApp group.
No message in the WhatsApp group? I have messaged there. What is wrong? Children, I have messaged on the WhatsApp group. Could you not see my message there?
Now I have seen that you have a network issue and meeting is not started. You have said that you will give a paragraph. We have to write.
Yes, yes, yes. Perfect.
Ma'am,
Perfect. Yes, very good, beta.
Ma'am, can we do one activity? Ma'am, I have activity.
Well, first we have to complete the paragraph.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Iram, listen. Your activity we'll do in our next class whenever we have our class next, because this class is about to get over. So we'll have that activity in full 40 minutes. Why to just do it in 15 minutes, right? Right now, do the work that I have already told you to do.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, on which we have to write the paragraph?
Beta, on page number 128.
Impact of air pollution.
Yes, impact of air pollution, page number 128. Write it very beautifully. Think that it is your handwriting competition. I'm going to choose the best handwriting of the day. Yes.
I think. Ma'am, Utsav has ended. Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, I have done. Can I send?
Now, Anshuman, 1 cent. It will not be. It won't. You won't get it back. So do it very nicely. If you want to decorate it a little, like you have to underline something or you have to highlight something, just do it right now. Once submitted, will be submitted forever. Ansh, oh, this thing, this one, who is he? Utsav, he has sent also. Okay, very nice. Let me see who does it best. I'm waiting for Jayesh's writing. I'm waiting for Lakshita's writing. Iram, Dev, Devansh. Let's see who does it.
I'm done.
Done. Jayesh, okay. Underline if you want to underline something. Highlight something. Jayesh, you have done so many spelling mistakes, beta. What is the spelling of forest? What is the spelling of rays of the sun? Sun rays. Hmm? What is the spelling of bodies? Water bodies. Poison. Developed. So many spelling mistakes even after seeing it from the book. Substance. If I have a red pen in my hand, your complete passage would be circled in red color. Lakshita is left to send. Iram is left to send. Hurry up and send so that I can declare the results right now. Rachit, have you sent?
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, now what we will do? Ma'am, I have also sent and done.
Now, beta, you will wait for other students to send. No? Once they will send, then we will be out from this activity. Let me see Iram's work. Iram, why is it like the temperature of the face rises? Okay. Why is it like in between the sentences you have inserted capital letters? When do we start any word with capital letter?
Ma'am, when the word start?
When the line, when any sentence starts, after a full stop, we use capital letter. Isn't it? Now see. The last line, rays of the sun, harmful rays of the sun. Why is the R capital? Then above, substances and gases. See, harmful substances and gases. Substance S is capital. Increase in a particular place. Particular P capital, place P capital. Beta, why these kind of mistakes? The temperature of that place rises. Again, place and rises, capital letter. Affecting the climate, then climate C is capital. Then major, one of the major effects of air pollution, major M is capital. Huh? This thing you should be careful of. Okay, next time whenever you write, don't insert capital letters in between. Rachit, Lakshita, Dev, Devansh. 4 of you are left. Hurry up.
Ma'am, I am last.
All right, beta. Hurry up and send. Only 5 minutes are left.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Wow, wonderful work, beta. Now Rachit is left. What is the spelling of health, Lakshita?
Sorry,
Only
ma'am, I
one
forgot
mistake.
to put
Only,
A.
yes, you forgot to put A. Only one mistake. Wonderful work by Lakshita. Devarya. Good improvement, Devarya. Your handwriting is looking improved in this one. Now, whom am I waiting for? I'm waiting for Jayesh. Oh, sorry, Rachit. Jayesh has sent. Rachit, how much is left?
Ma'am, I am on last line.
All right, beta, hurry up. We are not left with much time. Otherwise, I'm going to declare the result like this only without taking in your sheet. Okay, till now, children, whom do you think wrote the best? Class 4th hey students, just wait beta. Let this class end first and then I'm going to begin the class with you. Join after 12:30. It's 12:29 right now. Yes. Who wrote the best? Iram? Lakshita.
Ma'am, Lakshita.
Okay, Lakshita, who do you think was the best? Whose handwriting was the best?
Ma'am, Anshuman.
Anshuman. Anshuman, who do you think should stand first? Anshuman is disappeared from the class.
Ma'am, Lakshita.
Lakshita. Okay, Rachit, what do you feel? Rachit, time over, beta. Just click a picture and hurry up and send. I want to see your handwriting also. See, it's time for the next class.
Ma'am, I have correct the mistakes.
Okay, this is Rachit's. Wow.
Ma'am, what
wonderful
we are
work.
doing?
Wonderful work, Rachit. Now in the next class, I'm going to declare the result. I have all your handwritings. So bye to all of you. Class 4th C students, please, you can leave. Okay. I'll continue the class here only with 4th A. Oh, no. I have to end the meeting.